What's up, 7th grade? Happy Friday, April 17th. Today you're taking a quiz over adverbs and finish any work that you have missed this week. So maybe you've missed a practice, maybe you've missed a quick write. Here's the way that you can tell. Once you log into No Red Ink, you'll see this dashboard here. And you'll have assignments that you need to complete that are right here. So it might say like practice, quick write. Just click on those and complete them. You'll also see your quiz in here today. It'll say adverb quiz. Now, actually right here is where you'll see late assignments here in purple. So you can click on those if you didn't do them. If you did, don't worry about it. I see a lot of people have turned in their practice, but they haven't turned in their quick write. So again, it's only 75 words. It's like basically one paragraph. You click on it, you type up, you answer the prompt, and then I get to check it and read your writing. Before you jump in to take your quiz, let's review what an adverb is. Remember, adverbs are words that describe, and they can describe a couple different things. They can describe other adverbs, they can describe adjectives, or most commonly, they can describe verbs, other action words, okay? So here's an example of each of those. This is adverbs that describe verbs. Now keep in mind, a verb is an action. So in blue, I have actions: push, fell, stay, go. In green, I have adverbs. It describes those actions more. It gives more detail. It adds to the verb. That's why it's called an adverb. It adds more to the verb. Push, push where? Upward. Fell, where? Fell where? There. Stay, stay where? Stay nearby. Go, go where? Go outside. Now, you'll notice that all of these adverbs here are right next to the verbs that they describe. That's pretty common, but it's not always the case. So let's jump into this exercise. I'm going to use this as an example. Adverb review. Okay, let's go to the practice. So on your quiz, you're going to see questions like this. It's going to have a word in bold, so it's going to have a word in dark, and it's going to tell you that that word is an adverb. So softly is an adverb. The bold word is an adverb. Which verb does it describe? So softly is an adverb. Let's read the sentence. Draco Malfoy whispered softly in my ear during the movie. So softly is an adverb. It's adding to a verb somewhere in this sentence. Which verb is it adding to? Which verb is it describing? What action is in this sentence? Draco Malfoy whispered. That's the action. So I will select whispered as the verb that it is describing. How did he whisper? He whispered softly. Okay, let's do one more together, and then I'm going to release you to finish all of your work and to take your quiz. The bold word is an adverb. Which verb does it describe? The wind swiftly carried Primrose Everdene's paper airplane down the block. Okay. Swiftly is my adverb. It's adding to a verb. What is a verb that it's right next to? Carried. And it's describing how the wind carried this airplane. It carried it swiftly, quickly. So that is my answer. Let's go back really quickly. So those are adverbs that modify verbs. Sometimes you'll see adverbs that modify adjectives. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. Okay? So here are my adjectives in yellow. Upset, wrong, tall, hungry. Upset. How was this person upset? To what extent? Very upset. Definitely wrong. Extremely tall. Not hungry. Okay? Beaches can be very beautiful. Very is describing beautiful. How beautiful can they be? Very. The speaker is extremely tall. I have a question for you. What noun is beautiful describing? Beautiful. What's beautiful? The beaches are beautiful. What's tall? The speaker is tall. So remember that adjectives describe nouns, adverbs can describe verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. Good luck. If you have any questions, shoot me a private message. Look forward to seeing your work and to grading your quizzes. Have a great weekend, everybody.